Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted a woman who barely noticed you? You did everything right. You were kind, you were available, you showed her attention, yet the more you gave, the less she cared. Now listen closely. Women don't chase men who chase them. They chase the men they feel they might lose. You see, attraction isn't about begging for attention. It's about positioning yourself as a man of value, a man so confident, so self-assured, that she starts to wonder, why isn't he chasing me? What makes him different? By the end of this speech, you'll understand exactly how to flip the script. You'll learn the psychological triggers that make any woman, yes, even the one who seems uninterested, start chasing you. So stay locked in, because this might just change your life forever. Let's talk about human nature. If something is rare, people want it more. Think about luxury cars, exclusive clubs, or limited edition sneakers. The same principle applies to relationships. If you're always available, always texting first, always making plans, she sees you as common. But the moment she senses she might lose you to someone else, boom! Now she's paying attention. The goal? Be present, but not predictable. She needs to feel like she's winning you over, not the other way around. So here's what you do. Pull back slightly. Let her wonder where you are, what you're doing, why you're not constantly checking up on her. That little bit of mystery, that's what sparks attraction. Listen, confidence isn't just important, it's everything. A man with confidence doesn't need anyone's approval, and that's exactly why women are drawn to him. Confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about knowing your worth. When you walk into a room, do you own your presence, or do you shrink into the background? Do you hesitate to speak up, or do you command respect with your words? Women feel energy. If you move through life like a man who knows where he's going, women will naturally be drawn to that. So stop seeking validation. Stop over-explaining yourself. Start leading. Women don't chase men who follow. Forget about looks for a second. Real attraction isn't just physical, it's emotional. Women are drawn to how you make them feel. If she associates excitement, mystery, and fun with you, she will crave more of your presence. So how do you create that? Unpredictability. Be the guy who switches things up. If she expects you to text her good morning every day, if she thinks she has you figured out, do something unexpected. Keep her guessing, keep her engaged. If she can't predict your next move, she'll start investing more energy just to figure you out. This is where most men mess up. Some guys give too much attention and smother women. Others act too cold and distant, making women lose interest. The trick? Balance. Give her attention, but don't overdo it. Compliment her, but don't put her on a pedestal. Then pull back just a little and watch what happens. If she starts to invest more, that means she's getting hooked. Why? Because women chase what isn't guaranteed. The moment she feels like she's won you completely, she stops trying. So keep things dynamic. Give. Pull back, keep her guessing. This is the golden rule. Stop focusing on her and start focusing on you. Work on your fitness, build your skills, chase your goals. The more you level up, the more attractive you become. You see, a man who has options naturally becomes more desirable. Why? Because women are drawn to status, purpose, and ambition. Think about it. Women don't fall for men who chase them. They fall for men who have something going for themselves. If your life is exciting, if your energy is magnetic, women will want to be part of it. And when you become the prize, they'll be the ones chasing you. Now, here's the secret most men don't know. Women value what they have to work for. If you want her to chase you, don't give her instant gratification. Take longer to reply sometimes. Say no to a date once in a while. Be busy. Make her wonder why she doesn't have full access to you. When a woman feels like she's losing a high-value man, she will do everything in her power to keep him. This isn't about playing games. It's about showing her that you are the prize. And the moment she realizes that, she'll be the one putting in the effort. Let me leave you with this. Stop chasing and start attracting. The moment you shift your focus from getting her to becoming the best version of yourself, everything changes. She may not have noticed you before, but after this, she'll be the one wondering why she can't get you out of her mind. Now go out there and become the man that women chase, because once you do, you'll never have to chase again. Let's break this down deeper. When it comes to attraction, one of the biggest mistakes men make is being too available. You see, human nature is wired to value what is scarce. Think about the things people obsess over: luxury watches, exclusive cars, limited edition sneakers. It's not just the quality that makes them desirable. It's the fact that not everyone can have them. The same principle applies when dealing with women. The moment a woman realizes she has full access to you, the excitement fades. She stops wondering about you, stops thinking about you, and eventually stops valuing you.